أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طلابنا المرحلة الأولى، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أكمل وياكم الجزء الثاني من المحاضرة الأولى لمقرر الأورجانيك كيمستري. أول فاميلي اللي بدينا بيها من الهيدروكربونز هي الألكانز. وصلنا لل preparation of alkanes. There are many methods for preparation of alkanes. The first one, hydrogenation of alkenes. Alkenes, organic compounds which have the general formula CnH2n, can be hydrogenation with hydrogen with catalyst, this catalyst platinum or palladium or nickel, in order to produce alkane. The second method, reduction of alkyl halides, and this reduction can be obtained by two methods. The first, hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent can be prepared from alkyl halide with magnesium in dry ether, such as here. This is alkyl halide, magnesium, dry ether. يمكننا R-MgX اللي هو Grignard reagent. When hydrolysis with water can be produced alkane. For example, here bromobutane with magnesium produce kashif Grignard. When hydrolysis with water, then produce a normal butane, which is alkane. The Grignard reagent, as I say, this is from alkyl halide in the dry ether. In the dry ether, when we use Grignard reagent in preparation another on any compound except alkane. In alkane will be not dry, but hydrolysis with water in order to produce alkane, because we wanted alkane, we wanted the dry, but in other type of compound must be dry. For example, as we said, methyl iodide with magnesium, dry ether, greenhouse, Grignard reagent. Second example, bromoethane with magnesium and dry ether in order to produce Grignard reaction. A reduction by metal and acid. That's a reduction alkyl halide 2 with zinc and acid in order to produce RH, alkane, and zinc as cation and anion of halide, which is produced from alkyl halide. For example, secondary butyl bromide will be reduction of reduced by zinc and acid in order to produce normal butane. The third method for preparation of alkane is coupling of alkyl halide with organometallic compound. This is RX. Alkyl halide may be primary or secondary or tertiary, and this depended on carbon atom, in which type, primary or secondary or tertiary. Carbon atom which carrier and linkage with X will react with lithium will be gave alkene lithium, then with CuX in order to R2CuLi. This compound and this organic compound can be coupled with another halide alkene, but this alkyl halide should be primary, not to be secondary or tertiary. You must notice that this coupling will be produce alkane have carbon number the sum of the first R and the second R. For example, this is a primary halide, and maybe in the second example tertiary. This halide will react with lithium in order to produce alkyl lithium. And alkyl lithium will be react with CuI in order to produce this part of compound which coupled with primary alkyl halide. This halide must be primary. Okay, coupling between two compounds will be give a normal non-alkane. The number of carbon atom and this alkane 7 to 9 atom. This equal to sum of 2 from this part and 7 from this part. Another example, when the carbon atom linkage with halide alkene tertiary also react with lithium and then with CuX or CuI in order to produce this part of compound which coupled with this part in order to produce or زيادة alkane. Reaction of alkanes. Many reaction of alkanes. The first one, oxidation. Alkanes can be oxidized with oxygen as flame or as temperature. If oxidized with flame, will be give the product as any hydrocarbon when pair CO2 and H2O and heat and kilocalorie. For example, here methane, but when oxidized and 1500 temperature will be give the ethylene and carbon monoxide and hydrogen. But with water and in the presence of nickel as catalyst, in 850 will be gave carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The second reaction, halogenation. We mean halogenation, substitution of halogen atom instead of hydrogen in alkane. And this type of reaction will be occurred by many steps. In each step, replace halogen atom instead of hydrogen. For example, when halogenation methane with X2 in this state, one X atom will be replaced from hydrogen and produce HX. In the second state, also another halide atom will be in the state from hydrogen and produce HX, and this continue till all hydrogen convert to halide atom. A reactivity for this reaction for X2 can be given by fluor more than chlor more than brom more than iod. That's mean fluor more reactive from chlor, chlor more reactive from brom, and bromine more reactive from iod. والأوديو. Another example for halogenation, here chloromethane when halogenation with chlor and the same state as we said. Also here with halogenation with a brom. A mechanism for chlorination for any alkane can be produced under free radical mechanism, and the free radical mechanism include many steps. This type of mechanism or reaction called chain reaction. Chain reaction contain many steps. The first step contain or produce free radical of halide. For example, if we have chlorine molecule, by heat or light can be produced two free radical of chlor. Free radical, as you know, atom carrier or carry one electron, as here. This free radical will be attacked methane molecule in order to produce a new free radical for methyl group. And the third step, methyl free radical can be react with chlorine molecule in order to produce free radical of chlor and chloroform molecule. The end step of reaction can be occurred by one of the following steps: either free radical of chlor united with another free radical in order to produce molecule of chlor, or free radical of methyl with another method in order to ethane الالكان, or free radical of methyl group can be engaged with free radical of chlor in order to produce chloroform. In composition, one of the reaction of alkane which can be occurred by oxygen as a flame in order to produce carbon dioxide and water and heat. There is another reaction which is pyrolysis, cracking. This type of reaction will be occurred as in petrol, an industrial method. This will be proceed on alkane and very high temperature without another catalyst to give hydrogen and smaller alkanes and alkenes. Halogenation for another alkane which contain from 3 and 4 carbon atom will be gave 2 products. For example, halogenation of propane with the chloride or 25-degree temperature will give chloropropane and 2-chloropropane. The ratio of reaction for this compound will show more ratio for chloropropane because free radical which produce from propane as free radical more stable than the primary free radical for propane. Also, in butane molecule, when chlorination will be gave 2 products, chlorobutane and chlorobutane, and this depending on stability of the free radical. شكرا جزيلا لإصغائكم.